Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. All right. So, hope everybody had a good long weekend. I was away the latter part of last week. Did a little skiing, unwound a little bit. The tape was volatile enough to let the room get done. Still, what we needed to get done, which is what I love about this job, because you can do it anywhere, anytime. So as we head into today, we gapped down a little bit. You can see the 9-day. It's trying to hold its support. The low print over Globex was 61.25. Your 9-day is not far away from there at 58. That's going to be the deal for me today. Do we close above or below the 9-day? Because if we close above the 9-day and the 9-day starts to look like support, then, Pavlov's dog is going to show up and we're going to continue to walk this thing to the upside. We already put in a new all-time high yesterday. And you got to understand, with the holiday, trade day Tuesday, the 18th, is just one big long session that started Sunday night at 6 o'clock. So I'll be interested to see where we close relative to the 9-day. And again, that's 58. On the hourly chart, nice wide... nice wide candles, the latter part of last week, wide enough ranges where you could really get some stuff done. Yesterday was a holiday. I didn't touch it. It was what it was. We gapped down last night. We took it deeper, but not past that 9-day. And now I'll be interested to see, you can see the hourly mid-band coming down here at 73. I'll be interested to see if we revisit that area, and if we do, does it hold? Volume weighted average price, which right now is about 69. We are literally testing that as I speak. Has been good resistance for the majority of the night, but I would not be surprised if we took it back off the open or pretty close to off the open, tested this hourly midband to see if that will be reliable resistance. If it doesn't hold, then you have to start thinking about the gap fill. I mean, are the Bears bad enough to give up a gap fill today? Yes, they are. Absolutely, no doubt in my mind, they are that terrible. They could absolutely give up the gap fill. And that would be 88. I mean, they're so totally that bad. And, the other takeaway from today over the course of the day will be, here's another opportunity for the Bears to convert a level that matters, in this case 58, and try to progress things to the downside. Every time they've tried to do this, they have failed miserably, and they've given up new highs. And this process will stop when it's ready to stop. You can choose to fight it, you can choose to do whatever. I would rather be long and go with the flow and just kind of take advantage of as much of it as I can, until it's ready to go down in a meaningful way. And, we'll short it when there's opportunities to short it. But until the Bears start to deal with things like the 9-day and hold something like the 9-day as resistance for multiple days, you're not going to get any major change to the dynamic. And the dynamic is, you get these pushes down, they're defended, they bleed it to the upside, and you do new all-time highs. All right, everybody have a great day. We'll have some more stuff out on social. We'll get back to a full content schedule tomorrow now that I'm back in the office. And take care. Trade them well. Come check out the room, and I'll talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook, and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.